Hello viewers, welcome to Audio Wiz 360. Today I have this Philips Bahadur radio which works in R20 battery, these batteries. So the purpose of the video is to make this radio as rechargeable. To avoid these batteries regularly, we have to put these batteries, that is hectic. We have to buy this to replace the batteries, that is costly compared to if we install the rechargeable battery. So instead of these R20 batteries, I am going to put this 18650 battery which is of 2000 mAh, 3000 mAh. So this will not work now because there is no batteries installed here. This is the compartment of R20. Two batteries is required. So I am going to fit this battery inside this radio using battery management system here, and you can recharge this battery using this DC socket. I will show you how to do that. Alright, now let's start tearing this down. There are 4 screws here, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So I am going to take out these 4 screws. This is very simple process. Alright. Now I am going to take out this radio like this. You can see this is the inside look. Now I am going to install the battery in this gap. There is a free space here to place this battery. Before that, let's make this battery ready. This is 3.7 volt and this is 3.7 volt BMS. So what I am going to, I have already kept these points to install this BMS. Let me do that by let me connect these points using nickel plates. Alright, now making some space here. So this is the battery, these are the nickel plates I am going to use, and this is the BMS. So let me apply some paste here. Alright, now I am going to solder here. Here it is plus and minus is written, which is positive and which is negative. Positive will go to the positive of the battery, negative will go to negative of the battery. Alright, so this is the nickel plate here. Now let me put the lead in this strip as well. Alright, now I am going to connect this lead in the BMS. So this lead is installed, sorry, this nickel strip is installed in the BMS. Now it's time to solder this. So this is the negative of the battery and this is the positive of the battery. Now positive will go to positive here like this. Alright, this is fixed. Now this will go to negative here. So So BMS is fixed here. Now this will protect the battery. Even if you can put the charger for overnight, need not worry about the time of charging, because once the battery is full, it will stop sending the voltage to the battery and it will cut off the voltage supply to this battery. So there is no worries of charging time, nothing to see the timings like I have to charge for 1 hour or 2 hour. No worries at all. You can put for overnight or 1 day or 2 days also. Once this battery is full, the power supply to this battery will be cut off from this BMS. That is the beauty of this BMS. And even if it gets heated or short circuited, the supply will be disconnected from the battery. It will not go to your it will not go to the radio also, so that it will not harm the radio as well. Alright, now let's install this battery to the radio. Just making the space here. Alright, now let's check the voltage of the battery here. Here I will check in this minus and it will goes to plus. 3.7 volt is there, so charging is required. Alright, battery is perfect. So let's place this battery here. You can see like this. I will paste this battery using epoxy glue. That will be good. Don't use the hot glue, using that glue gun. Use epoxy resin or some other glue, just insulating this. Alright, this is enough. Now I am going to keep this battery here and will put I'm going to use this epoxy resin. This is heat resistant tolerant and this holds very. Alright, this is ready to apply. Now I am going to put little bit of glue here on the back side. Now I am applying it in the side so that it will hold strongly. So we have to wait for 5 to 10 minutes so that it will touch to dry and it will be hardened within half an hour. Alright, let me come back after 5 minutes. Alright, now this is hardened almost. Now it's time to install these wires. So this is the positive, this red one. This is also positive, this is also positive. So red will go to this and black, this battery's black will go to this point here, this point. So let's solder that. Plus will go to this point. Sorry. And minus will go to this point. Here. Alright, now this is installed. It should start work now. Alright, now this is done. Let's see the voltage. It's working. So the voltage is 3 3.70 as you can see. Now I am going to put this for charge. Before assembling it, I have made this cable for this particularly. Will show you the cables here. So this is one DC pin which will go to radio, and this is the USB. You can connect this to any adapter, mobile charging adapter, or any power bank. Now I am going to show you through power bank only. Now let me connect this radio, this charger to this radio. Alright, now let's see. Previously it was 3.7 volts. Let us charge this for 5 minutes and I will show you the voltage. There should be minor difference in the voltage because when we installed this at that time it was 3.7 volt as you have seen just now. Let's check the voltage before charging. Just now I have installed connected the charger cable. You can see it is fluctuating here between 3.89. It will take time to charge because this is heavy battery. You can see it is not 3.70, it is 3.76, 72, 74, like that it is coming. 3.81 is also coming, 93 also coming. So it will take some time to charge. Alright, now it's time to put back the cover. That's it. It will take almost whole night to charge maybe, or maybe it will take some 3-4 hours minimum. So let's put this cover back. I'm taking out this charging connector to put back the covers here. Just we have to put this cover. Before closing you have to install this handle here. That's it. Now 4 screws are there. One is already here. Even there is a separate charging board which comes for this type of batteries. You can use that inside. That will be even more better. That will charge the battery fast as well. That will give 1 amps directly to the battery. So that will charge within 3 hours. Alright, now these batteries are not required. So these are the flaws. See, these batteries leaks the acids and this may damage the radio as well. So now this compartment is of no use. This radio will start working now. Alright, if you want to see how to make this wire, please write in the comment section. Then I can make the video how to make this wire for charging this radio. Or this wire can be used even without installing this battery. Once you connect this plug to the radio and this one to the USB or adapter, it will start working without any R20 batteries or this rechargeable 18650. That is also one case. Alright, time to wind up. Thanks for watching the video. If you like the video, please do like, share, subscribe to AudioViz360 and hit that notification bell icon and write comment in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. Bye.